I was at Claire's and they had a buy 3, get 3 free sale! Ah! Let's just say I had a little fun. I went around the store looking for anything that we could use for the dollhouse. I think we found a few fun finds. Starting in the jewelry section, we found this ring that looks like a crown. Perfect for a beauty queen. It is also a great accessory to put on display in the dollhouse. I am always looking for little things to go on shelves. They just add those extra details that we love so much. There we go. Love it. This is faux body jewelry, and to be honest, I really just wanted an excuse to buy these because I wanted to try them out. Getting the look without the pain, I'm like, yes. However, on closer inspection, these look a lot like bracelets that we could use for our dolls. Hopefully, these will fit, but if they don't, I could always wear them. The metal is kind of soft and easy to bend. We have one that looks twisted, one with rhinestones, and another that has a faux pearl. Let's place it on the doll's wrist, and yeah, it worked! Instant bracelet for our dolls, making it look like they have real jewels. Uh-oh, wait a minute. The thicker one is not fitting, but the other two are an easy fit, so I guess I'll just have to wear this one. Oh man. I tried it on a Barbie wrist and I was able to get it on because Barbies have softer hands than fresh dolls. It's a pretty snug fit, so I'm not worried about it falling off. I'll be taking these, thank you very much. Not far from the jewelry section, we found little fuzzy keychains. I instantly thought toys or stuffed animals for the dolls. Just need to remove the hook. It's pretty easy, comes right off. And we've got a cute little fuzzy animal for our dolls. This was $9.99 and you get 5 little keychains, making each little animal about $2 each, which is pretty comparable to a box of Shopkins. There were a lot of different ones to choose from, like unicorns and french fries. This has a parrot, a purple elephant, giraffe, blue penguin, and a panda bear. Jade and Jenna will probably love these. We're gonna add these to their room. They're just so cute! I know! I'm gonna squeeze them to pieces! This is a bath set. It was one of the more expensive things that I picked up, but it smells really good. It comes with some bath bombs, little heart-shaped bath bombs, a pink loofah with sponges inside of it. The sponges are shaped like hearts. I wonder how I can get them out. Just gotta find the opening. And there it is. So now I can just take the sponges right out. Ha! Love it. It's a great size for our dolls. Is there anything else in here? I think that is just paper. What is this? It's nothing, it's just plastic. Okay, with bubble wrap that we could use to look like bubbles in our tub. Because we now have a giant purple metallic tub, perfect for a unicorn bathroom or any doll bathroom. Gotta make sure the doll can fit. And yeah, kinda sorta. Then add the bubble wrap. That might not work. I'm just gonna use fluff instead. That way it looks like she has a whole bunch of bubbles. I might have gone overboard with the bubbles. But I love the fact that we got a bathtub and a mini sponge for our dolls. Claire's has their own line of blind bags. They have pretty metallic wrapping. These two are from the mystery figurines. Inside, we will find one mommy unicorn and one surprise baby figurine. Let's see who is inside. We have a large vinyl unicorn with a pastel horn and matching hair. It can stand on its own. And it came with a baby sloth? I guess it's a unisloth? We didn't get a baby unicorn to go with our mommy unicorn. Let's try again. Baby unicorn, baby unicorn! No, it's a unikitty. And the mommy unicorn looks exactly the same. So there are 5 different possibilities for these blind bags, and you can try to collect them all. I am going to use these as toys for the dollhouse. Definitely more Jade and Jenna stuff. Yay! One for you and one for me! This is a starter pack for stackables. In the top it says Step 1, buy me first. They are magnetic and you are supposed to mix and match. Contains 3 magnetic figurines as shown below. Does that mean there is no surprise? We already know what is inside? Let's check this out. Yep, says exactly on the front what is inside. They kind of remind me of Tsum Tsums, but they are magnetic, so they stick together, and you don't have to worry about it falling over, allowing you to build a tower of figurines. Now that could be really cool in a doll room. More can be purchased separately, so you can make your tower even taller. Let's just cut a piece of plastic from our tub packaging, glue it on top for a whimsical side table that go perfectly with these chairs. These are cell phone holders and they have been a staple at Claire's for years. They often make new designs, which makes collecting these a lot of fun. We have a panda with a little glitter around the eyes and a bow, and a fluffy bunny with a tiara. The bunny is a lot taller than ones we've gotten in the past, making it a better height for some of our dolls. Pair it with our little side table for an instant scene. All of this stuff combined can make an adorable space for Jade and Jenna, with unikitties and fluffy chairs. We also found these book bag keychains that could totally match the look of our corner. Got a nice little panda vibe going on here. However, I think this book bag is way too large for our 12-inch dolls. It doesn't have straps in the back, but if you hold it up to the doll, it is definitely out of scale. We could cut some ribbon and glue it onto the back. I'm using a hot glue gun. Remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. To make a book bag for our smart dolls. But that gives me an idea. Cut a small rounded piece of foam. Use it as a guide to cut more. I stacked and glued 4 together, then cut a 5th one out of black. I take a small scrap of a fuzzy fleece, glue it onto the white foam, including the sides. I'm using a little hot glue to attach it. Once the glue has dried, trim off the excess. Add a small loop of ribbon to the top and 2 shoulder straps. Glue the black foam on top so the ribbon is in between the layers of foam, making the back look nice and neat. Add a small piece of ribbon to the front. Take a small piece of chain, glue a pom-pom to one end, glue the chain to the ribbon to make a fuzzy panda-inspired book bag that fits our 12-inch dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some Claire's fun finds and made a quick craft. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for more fun finds. And that's our collection for now.